Look, Max. There's a big ice volcano here. Yes, Chase. There's a big one. Do you think we can climb it? I think so. Me too. Let's go. Look at this ice volcano. It's so big. Look at the ice. It's transparent. Wow, do you think we can climb up? Be careful, Chase. Volcanoes are very hot. Yes, Max. Wow, look at that. Look at this fire. This is a big volcano. Yes, it's in the middle of the forest. It's beautiful. Be careful or your fur might singe. Nice howl, Max. That's a howl for a volcano. Yes, I'm part wolf. I like to howl. Look at that. What an amazing volcano. It's an ice volcano. Look at this fire, Chase. It's beautiful.